fun as it is to launch your car in a straight line, driving on a completely straight road can get boring, even at a high speed. Most auto enthusiasts can agree that the best driving roads have a lot of curves with some straightaways thrown in between. So today I'm going to show you how to discover the best roads in your city using a site called roadcurvature.com. And then I'm going to take my car out for a quick drive on one of these roads. I found this site through Car and Driver last month and I immediately bookmarked it. Basically, this site uses OpenStreetMap to get info on different roads. It then uses that info to calculate the curvature of every road. Straight roads get ignored, curvy roads get rated in two different ways. First, how twisty is the road? And second, how is the road surface? Is it paved or is it unknown? Okay, I'm going to open up the map and I'm going to go search my area. I live in Oregon where it rains a lot, which gets really annoying, but at least we don't have sales tax here. So when I buy a car or I buy any kind of car parts, I just pay what the price tag says with no extra added, and that is so nice. But anyway, here we are. You can see the legend right here. So this kind of purple pink means very twisty, you know, towards the yellow, less twisty. Sorry if you're colorblind, by the way. This is probably not going to make much sense. I think I've actually been here before, but this looks like a cool little windy road. Yeah, so as you zoom in, eventually it switches to this like satellite view where you can actually see everything. But I'm going to enter this location, this road on my phone, and I'm going to go check it out in person. This site is available on mobile too, by the way. Thank you for watching. I'm going to link the site in the description if you want to go check it out. This site is still a work in progress. They're constantly making updates. In fact, the creator said that he actually spends a lot more time working on this website than he spends riding his motorcycle on these roads. But that's it, guys. Please give me a like and subscribe. It helps out a lot.